G'day and welcome to another video with Better Pics. Hope this finds you all well. Today's video is looking at adjusting the size of an image onto a larger or different shaped canvas. So as you can see here, we have an image that is from a Micro Four Thirds camera. It was photographed with the GH5, and it's not the usual 2:3 ratio photograph that you would expect to see. And often if we're doing design work or if we're putting the image in a layout of some sort, the image isn't necessarily going to match the shape of the layout or the base canvas that we're working with. So how do we adjust it to suit? All right, so we're just going to come over here and we can see we have a canvas. It's just a blank page. It's 16:9 ratio, whereas this particular image, as I mentioned earlier, is from a Micro Four Thirds camera, so a completely different ratio. So what we're going to do to start with is we're just going to grab our image and drag it onto that canvas. Now it has a different depth, so we can just proceed with that. That's no problem at all. And you can see that image is dropped in there. Now if I just click and drag that into the center, you can see those two guidelines pop up. And we can see that not only is the image a different size to the canvas, but it's also a different ratio or shape. So in this scenario, we've got a couple of options. First, if we hit Control T, we can just increase the size of the image so that it fits and matches top and bottom. And that works. That's increased the size of the image to the size of the canvas from a vertical perspective. What if we want this image to cover the entire canvas? Now, it will mean that we're going to lose some of the resolution of the image, but that's okay. Let's hit Control T again, and we're just going to click and drag. And we're going to cover up those white edges on either side. So you can see the image is now covering all of the canvas. It has changed the shape of the image, and there is certainly resolution, as you can see, that we have lost. But certainly we met the objective of having the image cover the entire canvas. Now, if we go back to the original size of the image and we just pop that in the center there. Now, if we hit Control T and then we push Alt at the same time and click and drag, it will actually keep the center of the image in the center of the canvas. And that's really handy if you want to keep that positioning consistent with the image in the center of the canvas. Then, of course, you can, if you want, click and drag so that any particular part of the image is covering the canvas, so that it's at least covering the canvas or positioned on the main document at the bottom in the way that you want it to. So remember to alter the size and transform. It's Control or Command T, and then you're able to size and position the image in any way that you want. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks as always for stopping by. Any questions are welcome in the comments below. And as always, we look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.